A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. I have one question for you. Which one you think easier for do? If you tell somebody say you forgive them for them sin, or for heal them from their sickness? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And hurry up and click the subscribe button if you not click it yet, and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself. Today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 2 from verse 1 to verse 12. After a couple days, Jesus go back to Capernaum and news spread all about saying come home. So people start to get up at him house and the place did ram up so till you couldn't find no way to turn up, no even at the door. And Jesus preached God's word to them. Some people come there with one crippled man to see Jesus, and four of the man them did I carry him. But sick of the crowd, they couldn't get the man in at the house where Jesus there. So the man them tear off part of the house top and let down the crippled man pan in stretcher. When Jesus see how the man them believe in him said to the crippled man, say, "Me pitney, me pardon you from all of your sin them." Some of the law teacher them did sit down there and they start think hard to themselves, say, "Oh, what wrong with that man you do? Oh, him fi say them sitting there. Ma disrespect God. No only God one can pardon sin." But same time, Jesus pick up in his spirit where them did I think. So he said to them, say, "What make una think them sitting there in our hearts? Which one easier? If tell the crippled man, me pardon your sin them, or if tell him, say, turn up, pick up your stretcher, and walk." But if make you know, me go show you say the man where God pick have the right and the power to pardon sin upon earth. So him said to the crippled man, say, "Listen to me, turn up, take up your stretcher, and go your yard." The man get up same time, take up him stretcher and head for him yard, while everybody did a watch him. The people did shock and then praise God and say, "We never seen nothing like this before." A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.